We have been collaborating with Professor Joost van Hoof in the domain of urban aging for almost a decade. As a result of this good collaboration, we have successfully exchanged experiences from our scientific fields to create a truly interdisciplinary scientific platform. This has resulted in a joint European research project. Today, we have the opportunity to look at Joost's entire scientific output, which is a treasure trove of knowledge about the place and role of older people in the city.
My name is Joost van Hoof. I'm a full professor of urban aging with the Hague University of Applied Sciences, and I'm also a professor Uchelny at Wrocław University of Environmental and Life Sciences. In my daily research, I study the age-friendliness of cities, in particular the city of The Hague in the Netherlands. I'm also the chairperson of the knowledge platform of Age-Friendly The Hague, which is a platform that brings together partners from all over the city, including the town hall and social workers. And together we research the age-friendliness of a city by making and coming up with new methodologies to engage with older people and make their voices heard. I am also the coordinator of the City & Co project, a project in which we work together with the universities in Kraków and Wrocław in order to study the age-friendliness of Dutch and Polish cities. And we have come up with local instruments to assess these cities by doing a survey amongst all the citizens of both countries. I'm also a partner in the Erasmus Plus project, AFECO, in which we research both age-friendly and eco-friendly solutions for older people. And together with older people, we design new educational programs to improve their lives, both from an age-friendly design perspective and a sustainability perspective. And by the end of the year, these educational modules will be available both in Polish and in other languages of the European Union.